Let me show you guys how you guys can check if you're shadow banned on TikTok or not. First, I want you guys to open up a new TikTok account because you cannot do it from the same account in which you want to check if you're shadow banned or not. After you open a new TikTok account, click on home at the bottom left corner. Click on the search icon at the top right corner and search for your account. After you search for your account, let's say nothing is being displayed over here. Click on user. Your account is not being shown in user as well, and when you go on videos, even your video is not being shown over here. That is the first step to know that your account is being shadow banned. The next step you can do is click on profile at the bottom right corner and see if the views on your recent video has dropped. If in the past you got average 10,000, 20,000 views, now you're suddenly getting 30, 40 or 100 views, then that could be the signal that you are shadow banned. So these are the two ways on how you guys can know you're shadow banned. Hope I was able to help you guys. Subscribe to our channel for future videos like this.